Good morning. Today is our day 2 at Walt Disney World and we are going to Hollywood Studios today. So we have our child shirt and I have my beautiful Forky ears. Today we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios. We're gonna plan on going on to Toy Story Land first, and then we're gonna do Galaxy's Edge, and then we're gonna do whatever else we can do there. Yesterday was we had a really successful day. We checked off almost all of our rides that we wanted to get on yesterday at the Magic Kingdom. We did have maybe like 3 rides that we didn't get on, which was really like Dumbo, under the Little Mermaid ride, and It's a Small World. So everything else we were able to tackle, which was pretty amazing considering that we didn't have any fast passes, which is really nice. And we were a party of 10 with my brother and his family and our family. So that was it was new because we have a new baby. We have baby Brandon with us, but it was overall really good. Let me go ahead and show him to you. So here he is, kind of having a bad hair day. We got to get you ready, huh, puppy? You ready to go to Toy Story Land? Yeah? You want to say hi to everybody? Good morning. He had a really good night. And then here's Addie. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Here's Addie. She's getting ready. She has her shirt on. And Jackie.
I'm ready to go to
Hello.
And then we have my mother-in-law that's having breakfast. And then Jack's getting last-minute things ready, but we're ready to go back. Why are you having your mask on, silly boy?
I just let the
oh, that's right.
guest services, they brought us some extra cups because we're running low.
Ooh, we got
So
some extra cups.
and they put them in a bag here, so because it's COVID, so they give us extra cups and everything it's pretty cool because it's like, when they bring it, there's like everything is like sealed, like every individual pack.
That's good.
So yeah, it's for refill for us.
I already had some hot chocolate. We did have some coffee yesterday. I didn't want coffee because I'm breastfeeding, so I want to limit my caffeine. And then we have some cereal. We had some toast, also some fruits.
And I got the crib out because it was here.
Oh, that's right. So now we got playpen because it was too much. Yeah, it was just a little too much, and so now we just wanted to have more space in our room. So we put, let me turn you guys around. We put the bed away, and then we're about to put that up. We got our bags ready, so Ariana's gonna take her Stitch bag. Jackie's taking her child's bag, and yeah. And that's pretty much it. So I'll check back in with you guys as soon as we get into the park. See you later. Bye. Miss Jacqueline, Hollywood Studios. She's cold. We didn't know it was raining.
It's cold and it's raining. I think I want to go back.
Hi guys, Hollywood Studio. Can you say hello? The child. I see Mickey's Runaway Railway stores that we're gonna come to later. My child, the child.
You blow my mind. We stick together till we see it through. 'Cause you got a friend named me. Yeah, you got a friend named me.
I'm so happy. I just can't stop singing.
Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed dashing around the backyard. Please stay
So
safe.
we're popping, baby. My mother-in-law, my Jackie. And we have Ariana and Jordan all over there. Ooh, we are going to be part of the animation. Let's go to the train. There goes Papa there holding baby. It's so cool. How's that blue milk taste? What does it taste like?
Fruit.
Like what?
Fruit.
Fruit. What kind of fruit?
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Watermelon. Try it.
Line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. It's a figure of... Go.
Ah!
There's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting.
Look at the plexiglass.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Let's go.
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that train. My engineers, fire the harpoons. As pilot trains. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's bring, keep shooting. No, I thought you had it. The gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Yes, pilot! Hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We did not die! Let's get out of here!
We're back.
let us in remotely. You retrieve 1 container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your gun minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that is rough.
Rock and roller coaster. We got Stephen babysitting. Oh, this is such a cool ride.
For something, I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. It made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't mind leaving me. 'Cause you know
Oh, ready? Here we go.
I want to something.
We're on the Skyliner.